Hello guys, this is Roy here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the difference between a WordPress website and a coding website. So basically a coding website is a website you code from scratch, probably using PHP or using Laravel or any of the other programming language out there that you can use to build your website. So now the difference there is pretty simple. WordPress is a great content management system that you can use to build just about anything, and it gives you ease and faster delivery of projects. But on the other hand, coding a website from scratch could give you the flexibility to build whatever you want with a lot of customization, flexibility, and security. Now, while security is not because WordPress is not secure, WordPress is secure, but something that is publicly available, everybody knows the structure and everything about the code. It's easier for them to know, okay, this is how the WordPress default structure and functions and fields are. So we can easily exploit it from here. But on the other hand, a website you build from scratch is not public but private. People barely know the structure, the system, the coding, and everything you. So it's going to take a lot for people to get to even start to identify or differentiate what is what and how to go about them. So let's go ahead and check what these people are saying here. So he said the choice between the two will depend on the specific needs and requirements of the website. WordPress is a great option for those who are looking for an easy to use and affordable option, while a coded website is a good choice for those who require more flexibility, customization, and security. So, guys, that's basically the difference between a coding website and a WordPress website. And anytime, any day, I would always want to go for a WordPress website because of the ease in maintenance and management compared to a website you code from scratch. So, guys, that'll be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.